Hello violin players, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. You may know that I have a new book, Do-It-Yourself Violin, and we're giving away 5 copies. Towards the end of this video, I will tell you how to enter the giveaway, so stay tuned and you could be a winner. This book is a violin method. It teaches you how to play the violin. It is made for adult beginners and it takes you step by step to become an upper intermediate violin player. You will not only learn how to play the violin using all the right techniques, but you will also learn how to read music notes and how to perform pieces. You will also learn more advanced techniques, such as, for instance, vibrato. What's so special and what sets this book apart from other methods is that Do-It-Yourself Violin contains, besides some classical tunes, many well-known tunes from pop, jazz and Disney. I'll give you some examples and I will play you some songs from the book. This book normally costs about £25, but you could win your copy. And to enter into the sweepstake, you will need to be 18 or over and you'll need to visit my YouTube channel as well as the HaLeonard website and social media pages. And we have made this process quick and easy for you as we have linked them all together. All you have to do is click the link that appears on your screen here and follow the steps. I'll also add the link in the description below the video. The giveaway ends on the 1st of May, so do it right now so you can't forget and you won't miss out. Good luck!